So welcome to today's video. We're going to be unboxing the Lenovo Yoga 530. We're going to be opening it. It's about $600, $700. You can buy from JB Hi-Fi, Pretty Good Guys. Where else can you buy it? You can buy from Harvey Norman. You can buy it from anywhere. It just has to be a good store that you trust. So open that first. Now it's sticky, so I'm gonna get some scissors, cut the thing off. So it's kind of thick. Cut it out of the way. It's kind of so thick. Yeah, much easier. So let's cut that. Okay. So when you open it, lay it down. Okay. So you want to pull it out. The box comes. Here. So be like this. You know, take off this carefully so nothing will damage your laptop. And this color is black, and it's surprisingly new. Okay, so if this is $700 and the iPad Pro is $1,200, I'm guessing this is basically an iPad Pro, but this thing is 14-inch. Okay, 14-inch Lenovo Yoga 530, which is black. 360. Alright, 360. I'll show you. So it's not only this, but 360. See? 360. You can bend it back, no problem. So it's design, and it's also called yoga, so it means like I'm very fit. And this is touchscreen, so we're gonna open it up and see if it's actually touchscreen. So we're gonna see where's the on button. Maybe that's escape, that's delete. Where's the on button? So there's a keyboard like this. Maybe we can check the box behind it. So here's the cable to charge. I don't know how to on it. I think you on this. No, there's no button. Yeah, how do you turn it on? I think. Oh, you need it on from the sides, do you? This time. Oh yeah. How to on it is this from sides, the right one over here. Here. Just hold it down. I think you might need to charge it. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna show you the next bit. So we're gonna show you if it's actually touchscreen. And this is actually the Windows 10 Home. This is approximately 2.2 kilograms. This is 8 gig RAM, 128 gigs of storage, and yeah, Windows 10 Home, not Windows 10 Home S, which is good. So we're going to charge it, and then we're going to see if it's actually touchscreen. So we're going to be showing you when it's finished charging and give you the final review of the Lenovo Yoga 530. So see you later, guys. So it's been 30 minutes charging, and I've opened it, put in the details I wanted. For example, what's your name, what's your account, phone number, the suburb, the region you're in. All that is filled out. Filled out all out already. And now we'll preview that this Lenovo Yoga 530 is touchscreen. So that's touchscreen. That you can see it's all popping up now. So for example, let's go Google. So see so many. So let's go Google. That works. But slow. It's still good. I'm gonna check the powers. That. See that so fast. So yeah, it's basically this touchscreen, and yeah. So that will be it for today's unboxing video. So please give us a thumbs up, a subscribe, and a comment down below. And next video we're going to be showing you the review about the Lenovo Yoga 530. So keep giving us subscribers and like videos. So see ya.